Welcome to the Swell Pro tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to fly the Fisherman Max fishing drone for the first time. Place the carry case of Fisherman Max on the ground and open the case. Take out the accessory pack and put it aside. Take out the aircraft and place it on a flat platform. Install the flight battery by aligning the battery slot to the pin connector inside the compartment. Lock the 4 latches from 1 to 4 to secure the battery. Unfold the front arms marked with F. Then unfold the rear arms marked with R. Rotate the ring in the direction of the arrow to tighten each arm. The Fisherman Max cannot float on the water by itself. Attaching the 4 floating bars to the aircraft is recommended if you intend to fly close to the water. Remove the straps on each floating bar. Place the bar under each arm and lock the latches. Remove the protection foam on the camera. Take the propellers out of the case. Place the orange-marked propellers on the orange-marked motors. Rotate the mount counterclockwise to tighten the propellers. Place the black propellers on the black motors. Rotate the mount clockwise to tighten the propellers. Tilt down the antennas for better transmission if the aircraft is going to fly at a high altitude. Tilt up the antennas if the aircraft is going to fly close to the water surface. Install the phone holder to the remote controller if you want to use the app. Turn the screw clockwise to secure the phone holder on the remote controller. Adjust the direction of the antennas perpendicular to the aircraft for a better signal. Turn the knob clockwise at the back to loosen the phone holder. Put your phone into the holder and turn the knob counterclockwise to retighten it. Ensure that all the toggles on the remote controller are switched up. Short press the power button once, then long press for 2 seconds to power on the remote controller. To power on the aircraft, short press the power button underneath the aircraft once, then long press for 2 seconds. Before each flight, you need to go through the following checklist. After you've checked everything, you can switch the flight mode to GPS to take off the aircraft. Push both sticks down and inwards, and hold them for 3 seconds to unlock the motors. Push up the left stick slowly to make the aircraft ascend. Alternatively, you can tap slide to take off on the app to make the drone ascend automatically. The drone will stop and hover when it reaches a default height. Push up the left stick. The aircraft flies up. Push down the left stick. The aircraft flies down. Push the left stick to the left. The aircraft rotates counterclockwise. Push the left stick to the right. The aircraft rotates clockwise. Push up the right stick. The aircraft flies forward. Push down the right stick. The aircraft flies backward. Push the right stick to the left. The aircraft flies left. Push up the right stick to the right. The aircraft flies right. Press and hold the down button to turn the camera down. Press and hold the up button to turn the camera up. Switch down the return home toggle. The aircraft will ascend or descend to a default height and automatically return to the home point. When the aircraft lands on the ground safely, the motors will shut down and lock automatically. You can land the aircraft when it is above a safe zone. Push down the left stick slowly. Keep the left stick down for 3 seconds when the aircraft lands on the ground to shut down the motors. Alternatively, you can push both sticks down and outward, and hold them for 3 seconds to lock the motors. That is all about the first flight tutorial video for the Fisherman Max. Thanks for watching.